There's no doubt about it, the 8K TVs are making their way into our home cinema to deliver incredible picture quality. However, if you are one of those who love to watch content in high definition and money is no object to you, then you should definitely consider 8K TV over 4Ks. They're 4 times better than 4K TVs and has an outstanding resolution to ensure the most realistic images. In today's video, we have listed up the top 5 best 8K TV you should buy, which can let you unlock immense possibilities of entertainment. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Elevate your content watching experience at a reasonable price with the Hisense U800GR, which delivers marvelous smooth motion and picture quality. This TV comes with a 75-inch ULED display, which ensures more depth and clarity to give an immersive viewing experience. It also features quantum dot color to produce refined, richer, and more accurate colors than a regular LCD TV. Moreover, this TV supports up to 1000 nits peak brightness across 180 local dimming zones for a brighter and perfectly lit picture. Besides, Ultra Motion removes the digital noise from moving objects to provide crystal clear images. The U800GR also comes with a 120Hz native refresh rate, so you can enjoy smoother gaming to keep up with your gameplay. With Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, this TV provides lifelike audio and video quality, so you can enjoy every moment of your favorite movie. You can also enjoy easy voice control with Siri, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. Overall, for accurate color, picture clarity, and refresh rate, the Hisense U800GR offers you the utmost quality at an affordable price. The TCL R648 has nearly everything that you want. It provides outstanding backlights, better color, and performance to enjoy every moment of your gaming. With a 75-inch Ultra HD display, this 8K TV provides exceptional performance to deliver 4 times better clarity than standard 4K UHD displays. It also comes with a quantum dot technology, which ensures more color accuracy and better brightness for lifelike pictures. With a 120Hz refresh rate, this TV delivers smooth animation so you can enjoy every bit of your gameplay. Moreover, this TV comes with contrast control zones, which optimizes contrast across up to 240 localized zones for maximum detail, so you can see clearly from every corner. Besides, Mini LED brings exceptionally powerful and precise control of brighter and darker areas of the image, delivering remarkable color depth for your gaming. Equipped with AI PQ engine, this TV uses machine learning to enhance color, contrast, and clarity for a marvelous 8K HDR experience. You can also enjoy a truly cinematic experience at home, all thanks to Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG. In general, for an immersive gaming experience on a console, the TCL R648 is an ideal one which you should buy for your gaming room. Experiencing sudden backlight problems during dark HDR movie scene? Meet the LG QNED99, which provides eye-popping video quality, excellent brightness, and sound quality on a marvelous display. This TV comes with an Ultra HD display, which lets you see brighter depth and detail so you can enjoy movies like never before. With quantum dot technology, it brings your content to life by ensuring outstanding color accuracy and clarity. It also comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, which allows you to experience gaming like never before and helps you beat the competition. Equipped with Mini LED, this TV can deliver precise luminance, a higher level of contrast, and deeper blacks due to increased dimming zones. Plus, the A9 Gen 4 AI processor can enhance every detail you see on the screen to provide a true 8K performance. You can also get a breathtaking picture quality as well as audio quality that makes you feel like you're in the action with Cinema HDR, Dolby Vision IQ, and Dolby Atmos. All in all, the LG QNED99 is an outstanding smart TV with a lot of features and enhancement technologies to deliver the performance you need most. Enjoy lifelike details with the Samsung QN900A, which is a stunning TV that offers a better picture quality, exceptional color, and brightness for endless entertainment. The QN900A comes with an Ultra HD display that provides an incredible sense of depth and clarity. It also features an edge-to-edge screen, which lets you immerse yourself in the stunning sharpness of 8K. To experience next-gen gaming, this TV can run 4K at a 120Hz refresh rate. Equipped with Neo Quantum Processor 8K, this TV uses AI-based deep learning analysis to optimize everything you watch. It also automatically converts your content to stunning 8K no matter what you watch. Moreover, with quantum matrix and mini LED technology, the QN900A gives you precise blacks and bright whites. You can also get rich color, deeper contrast, and vivid detail with the help of the Quantum HDR64X. With object tracking sound, you can hear almost every sound from any corner, letting you follow in on the action. Altogether, for edge-to-edge display, accurate color, and stunning picture quality, the Samsung QN900A is a marvelous TV that you should add up to your shopping cart. And finally, at number 1, we have Sony Z9J, a spectacular TV that you can have to discover the immense possibilities for unlimited entertainment. With an Ultra HD display, the Z9J ensures accurate color and lets you see an impressive picture quality that's natural as well as beautiful. It also features an anti-reflection screen which reduces glare in bright rooms, giving you the most comfortable viewing angle. Besides, full array LED and contrast booster precisely controls the backlight to bring out lifelike detail by providing deep blacks and high peak brightness. You can also play your favorite games at 4K with a 120Hz refresh rate. Equipped with Cognitive Processor XR, this TV enhances 8K picture quality to the max to give you precise details, intense contrast, and natural colors. Besides, it can upscale all your favorite content to 8K resolution and brings back lost texture. You can seamlessly browse movies from across your favorite streaming service, including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and many more. For the most part, whether you love playing video games or watching movies, the Sony Z9J is the best of the best you can get for your entertainment. So, that was all about the top 5 best 8K TV you should buy just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.